With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that can the amino group in the aniline molecule become meta-directing in an electrophilic substitution reaction? And four set of options are given. We have to select the most appropriate one. So in the first option it is said that no, it never shows meta-directing properties. While if you see what happens is, first of all we will draw the structure for aniline, which is NH2, to which a benzene ring is attached. What happens is, this is an electron donating group because it has a pair of lone pair electrons on the nitrogen, which will donate its lone pair on this atom, on this bond, and this bond will shift over here, forming a negative bond, a negative charge actually. So this negative charge is undergoing resonance, and if you see, first of all we will have the structure NH2 double bond. Here this becomes positive, here this is negative charge, here we will have a double bond, and here double bond. Okay, now what happens is, this NH2 is there, which is showing a plus R effect. Plus R effect is shown. That means it is increasing the electron density in the ring. That means it is activating. This is activating the phenol ring, or you can say the benzene ring. So the benzene ring is being activated by the plus R effect, and therefore if you see over here the resonance structure ortho position, we got a negative charge. So electrophilic substitution reaction they undergo aniline. So this molecule which is present over here, this negative charge will shift over here, and this will accumulate here, a negative charge will be accumulated, right? And therefore we say it is a ortho and para directing group. Once we get to know that it is a ortho and para directing group, so it is very clear that the the electrophile is prone to attack on the ortho and para positions. But if you take the acidic medium for this, what will happen when you have the acidic medium? That is in presence of H plus. So the lone pair of electrons which is present over here can easily attack the H plus. Here you have the H plus, right? Can easily take up the H plus, and this becomes NH3 positive, and here we will have the benzene ring. So what it will do, this will show minus I effect. This shows minus I effect, and this minus I effect is due to the accumulation of positive charge, so it will decrease the electron density in the benzene rings. That means it will pull electrons towards itself. So this is a deactivating group. Deactivating it is happening, and if you see, the electron density is going to be maximum at meta position and not at ortho and para position when there is a electron withdrawing group present. So what will happen, the electrophile is prone to attack on the meta position now. So in acidic medium we can say that the attack can be happen at meta position. So first of all, the option, if you see, no, it never shows meta directing properties, though that is not the case. If we have acidic medium, it shows meta directing property. So yes, in a strongly acidic medium it can show. Second is yes, in a strongly alkaline medium. So if you see the alkaline medium, that means a presence of OH. So I have NH2 and benzene ring. So I'm doing the reaction in the presence of an alkaline medium like OH minus. So what will this do, OH minus? OH minus will take up this proton over here. So if I write this as NH and H, what will happen? This proton which is available will be taken up by this. That means removal of one H2O molecule, minus H2O. And here we will have NH, negative charge on nitrogen, and a benzene ring. So this is showing a plus R effect. That is electron donating group effect is showing, and ring becomes activated. Since the ring is becoming activated, then we can say that it is a ortho and para directing group. And meta group is a meta position is not going to be available because electron density is quite less over there, and therefore we can say option number 3, that is said yes, in a strongly alkaline medium, no, it will not show meta directing electrophilic substitution reaction. But last one is the yes in non-polar solvent. So that is not the case. Why? Because we know that first of all, like dissolves like. From this we can say polar molecules will be dissolved only in the polar molecules. So polar, polar, and non-polar, non-polar will mix, but polar, non-polar, and non-polar, polar cannot mix. So this is the thing. So what happens in the case of aniline? We have NH2 group, right? So NH2 means we have hydrogen, hydrogen. This is the benzene ring. Nitrogen is more electronegative in nature, therefore it has a partial negative charge, and whereas this has partial positive and partial positive. So this means that there is presence of dipole moment, that is mu net is not equal to 0. Since mu net is not equal to 0, that is the dipole moment is not equal to 0, we can say that the molecule which is present over here is a polar molecule. And when we consider a non-polar molecule, if the non-polar molecule is not going to react with the polar molecule, because non-polar and non-polar can dissolve, but non-polar and polar molecule cannot be dissolved. So the non-polar do not react. And therefore we can say no reaction is going to happen in this case, and hence option number D is also incorrect. So only correct answer is option B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.